And we're back. So we got everything offloaded now. Now we're docking for the first time.
Okay.
And we're gonna try to find our camp.
Leave them kids alone.
First trip of the boat. Adds a whole
I'll be able to come up here.
extra dimension to the trip. We're whipping around doing lots of things. We have our bricks. We're just trying to cut a dock out.
Get rid of this stuff
And then I'll start to walk in and see how far it is. See the landmark of the tree. I keep trying to find right now. Right there. That's it. There's our camp right there. So, it's a landmark from the water. That's going to be the frame all the way up. And then there's our camp. It's from the other way. Usually we're coming in from up there from those trails. Right through there, through the door. With our door frame. That's going to be the frame of the door. And then we have a major tree here. Now we have 3 major beams there. So, looks like we've been the last here. So it's not too far in. That's good. Best way out of here is this way. Try to get about 300 meters. Not even that.
Awesome. Great. Okay.
Yeah, I'm right here, buddy.
Nice. It's not a bad path.
No, it's right there.
Yeah.
So you can pick this tree up. That's what I picked up first.
Yep. Once you see that tree, you know you're close to camp. Nice. Still there. Okay. Well, we should probably load our gear up. Okay. We can backtrack.
Still in good shape.
We get the right place anyways.
Yeah, I'm pretty close. I would say. So, now we have a general idea where we are here. So the best bet's going to be the trail on the back of the teepee, I think. We're gonna have to cut this whole section out. So there's the tree. And there's the path right here. Alright, I'm back to the boat here. We'll be back. We made it to our land camp.